So when we talked about sharing memories, you know, I sat there and I thought, I know, like I have a ton of memories related to the quilt shop. But the ones that come back to me the most, that are most meaningful, have to do with our customers. And like those first few years, you know, like our customers were so vital to us. Like they would call in, like I remember specifically, they would call, I would walk around the store and help them pick fabric over the phone. And I remember packing each order, and we had so few customers that I would remember the repeats because we would write the little notes. And you know, we just have so many customers that have become lifelong friends. And that actually makes me the most proud of what we built, because it means something. It relates to family, and it relates to us as people, because we have a connection with you guys, and that means the most to me. And that's what I'm most grateful for with Missouri Star.